How to turn off friend suggestion notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then as you see when my Snapchat is opening, you go here and open your profile. Then when your profile is opening, you go on settings and opening it. Then go search for notification. I found it. Click on it and go to friend suggestion and turn off this option by clicking here in this blue icon or green icon, and it will work on you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.